Yeah, she has to watch the technique. Okay.
Okay, happy Father's Day. Ready? I'm ready. Gotcha. Wait. Okay, go.
Happy Father's Day!
Oh, this is good. Oh. One spin. That was the spin. Except the last time it was like how many spins?
It was like 20 seconds.
At least 10.
And poor Napoleon is sick now. Oh, babe.
Okay, and one.
Not yet.
Do we have slices?
Okay, does everybody have your programs?
You're one of them.
Show us your programs. Open it up. This Samantha
She came
made
from
these.
my belly.
Oh, yeah?
Alright.
Let's see Devin's. Sweet. Samantha made our programs. Alright. Alright. Let me get ready for show number 2. We're ready! Sydney, you want to do some music for us?
Oh, yeah, hold it. Wait, let me get some music. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh, Barkley's excited.
Hey!
Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Get the party started! Uh-oh, we gotta put Riley in. Hold on. Yeah, this is the opening act. This is part of the opening act. Oh, here they go. Watch, here they come. I gotta get this.
It always hits me.
Let's see if they do it. Oh yeah, opening act. All right, we need some music for this.
Out here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, they go. I don't know what they're doing. All right, let's get.
Oh, I just got my eye.
Okay, we gotta pause and let Riley in, or we won't get music going. All right. Yeah! Clap. Woo! Yeah!
Yeah, Mark Lee.
All right.
What?
Oh, okay, now you gotta toss one. Woo! Oh, I'm digging the music.
David, help us sit. Do it long.
It's good.
Sam, come right here.
Ew, look at the dirt on me.
All right. Yay! Have you been practicing?
Hey, look, Samantha. I'm your mama. So.
Okay. Yay! Woo!
Hold on, let him finish his life.
All right.
Hold it up high. Tell them to come get it.
He won't. All right, since it's Father's Day, we gotta let the father do one. Father. Faja.
Yeah, boy.
Mom.
All right.
Sit.
And then I get a turn.
Come on.
And then I get a turn.
I think we're out of. No, we're out of.
Well, if you get a turn.
Mother and fathers. Hunt it, father.
Mother. Dad.
Sons too?
All right. Let me try and put this really quickly. This man is on my burn. All right. Wait, I'm gonna put it over here. Hold on. Come here. Come here. Okay, sit down. Sit. Stay. All right, Dad. This is gonna be a long shot.
Let's rock it.
You ready? Yay!
Wait, one more.
Okay, give Dad one.
Can I do one for me? So that you're nice too.
Okay.
get it.
Go get it. Get him like he's being so good to sit.
Say, come on. Go get it. Get it.
Come here, boy.
Woo! Yeah,
Katie, you want one?
take it back.
Now we just need to teach them how to do it.
Okay.
Oh.
All right.
What?
We said, okay, tell her to move.
Or Sam go that way.
Come stay. Stay.
Stay.
Stay. Stay. Stay. Stay. Ready? Oh, too hard. Okay, come take a bow. And woo! Let's see it. What? Oh.
You gotta do it to the camera.
Camera to the camera.
Hey, do it to the camera though. Oh,
Yeah.
excellent. Barkley, sit. Sit. Good boy. Down. You take your boy. Down. 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 Hey. Good boy. Down. Hey. Down. Down. Good boy. You're a good boy? Yeah, it's a good boy. Thank you, fans. Thank you, fans.
DJ all night. I'll be here all night.
Hey, I had that last Sunday.
No, you didn't.
Oh, I didn't have gravy.
When you cook it, you can have it.
Yeah.
I didn't grill. I'm gonna learn to do
I got your back, Mama.
That's right, Sean. That's right.
Hey, I'm back.
Oh. Jenna, can I tell the secret? Come on. Okay. No, I can't tell the secret. Here's Sean. Okay, we gotta get you, Deb or Spencer here. Everybody's on being recorded. All right, Spencer, Michaela. They've already eaten. They don't like my cooking.
Just like your mom right now.
I
You
do?
are being so much like grandma
Yeah,
right now.
yeah, good. Because I love Grandma.
It's you. You did so much like
Barkley. All right.
Mom, you're that's this recorder.
I know, I love it. What?
I never want Max in this house, but the one time I did for my cooler.
And there's Devin again with no shirt on.